Hello children, how are you? I am your grade 3 social teacher. Okay, in the previous class we have learnt about life of tribals. Yes, how the lifestyle of tribals will be. In today's class we learn about importance of different people. Yes children, one question. How in your family, how the family members are different in your family and how is their work is different? Yes, children. In the family, the members will be different. How they will be different? Some may be old and some may be young. Yes, and the work will be also different. Some people will work in home and some people go to office and work. Yes, this is about the family. And how in our society there will be a difference, different people. Some lives in cities and towns and some lives in villages and some lives in tribes. So these are the different people living in the different places. Now in today's class we will learn about how each member in society is important. Every member in the society is very important, whether they live in villages or cities or tribes or anywhere. There are important people, so we'll learn about importance of different people. Okay, children, everyone open your reader, social science reader, block 10.
Did you all open page number 66? Let's read the third topic, that is importance of living together. There are different kinds of peoples living in different places. They all have their own way of living. However, each one is important. Yes, each one is important. Farmers in villages grow crops for food. In cities, people work in factories. They make new things like tractors and tube wells that help farmers. People in villages and the tribals help us to keep nature safe by taking care of forest and farms. We need to respect people from all places. Yes, children, everyone is dependent. Farmers grow the crops for food that we get, and in cities people work in factories that give that they make new things, tractors and tube wells that help farmers. And people in villages and tribal help us keep nature safe. They'll keep the forest and farms safe. They will take care of that, so that we get everything. We need to respect people all. Respect people from all the places. From villages we have to respect, cities, tribals, everyone we have to respect, because all are equal.
Yes, children, from the reader we have learnt about the importance of living together. Yes, each member is very important, children. Yes, our society have a different people from different places. Yes, and we live together very nicely. So each member means like farmer grow crops for us. If he grow crops only, we will get the food. And the people in the cities make new and modern things for the village people as well as the town people. They will in the cities they will make new things for the villagers as well as the town people. Like villagers, they make the modern things like tractors, tube wells for the help of farming to grow the crops. And the tribes take care of forest. Tribal people take care of forest. They save the nature and the keep planting the trees and everything. So the tribal people are also important. So we have to respect each and every people living in the different places. Okay children, this is the topic of the importance of different people. Now open your workbook, volume 2 workbook. Let's do the workbook, children. Okay, open it.
Children, did you all open volume 2 workbook, page number 13? That is S4, importance of different people. Write today's date, children, that is 3/11/2020. Let's see the first bit. A, all the people in a society starts farming. That is, what will happen if all the people in a society start farming? What will happen, children, if the all the people in the society they start doing farming? We won't get the tractors and tube wells that are important for the farming, which help the farmers. So all the people in the society can't do farming. If, let's see the answer, if all the people in a society starts farming, then there will be no factories to make new things. Yes, children, if they do farming, all the people in a society do farming, there will be no factories to make new things. B question. There will be there are no people to work in factories. If there are no people to work in factories, what will happen? Like this only, children. If they do farming, no factories. If there is no people to work in factories, what will happen? We don't get tractors and tube wells. Yes, right? If there are no people to work in a factories, things like tractors or tube wells that help farmers in villages will not be made. No people are there in factories to make, so the new things also can't made, like tractors and tube wells are not made, which will be help to the farmers. This is your answer. C1. All the people start gathering food from forest. If all the people will start farming from the start gathering food from the forest, what will happen? Yes. So we will finish. There will be not enough of food that time. So the answer is, if all the people start gathering food from the forest, the food in the forest will finish. There will not be enough for everyone. So there will not be enough food for the people who lives in the forest if all are start gathering the food from the forest. These are the three ABC answers, children. Let's read the second question. Is the behavior of the people correct? What will you tell them why? A1. Someone shouts at the sweeper sweeping the floor. All we have read already before, children. All the occupations are equal. No one is less or more. So all are equal. If someone is shouting at the sweeper while sweeping the floor, what you will say? I will stop my friends from shouting, doing his work. His work is important, so we should respect him. So we have to respect all the works, children. All the people are important, and so we need to respect all the people. B1. Someone calls the farmers working in the field dirty. If someone calling farmers working in the field is dirty, then how we get the food? So it's not dirty, children. It is very important job. So what you will say? Farmers work hard in the field to grow crops for us. Yes, their work is important for us. This is wrong to call them dirty. Any work, any occupation is not dirty, children. All are equal. So we have to give respect for them. That is, we should not call dirty and everything. So this is your workbook, children. All the answers: A bit, B bit, C bit, and second bit A1 and B1. Write the answers, children. Try to write your own answers. Okay. Now let's see. Now open your reader, children. Already we finished keywords and glossary, and also the true or false. Yes. And we finished 1, 2 and 3 question answers. Now let's see the fourth question. Okay, children. Yes, children. Now see, the seventh question is your fourth question. Okay. Now let's see the answer. Open page number 66. Importance of living together is there. Second para from farmers. Your answer will start. That is your fourth answer. And ends in the farmers. Okay, children. This is your fourth answer. Farmers in the villages grow crops for food. In cities, people work in factories. They make new things like tractors and tube wells that helps farmers. People in villages and the tribals help us to keep nature safe by taking care of forest and farms. This is your fourth answer, children. After I already have completed, but also I'm saying again. Keywords. These 6 keywords, glossaries are your keywords, and write these glossaries, and these are the true or false, and these are the 4 question answers. Okay, children. Now take down your class activity. This is your class activity. Write today's date and write it down. Write it down, the class activity. stick any tribal people of India and write few lines about it. Okay, stick any tribal people of India and write few lines. This is the already they have stick. You can see in your reader, children. Open page number 66. You can see here tribal people. Like this sticker, you have to stick any picture and write few lines about the tribal people. You have already here para. You can see here and write few lines about it. Okay, children, complete your S4 workbook and write your classwork, complete your classwork and do the class activity, children. Okay, thank you.